It's almost 3 a.m. and your stomach growls, urging you to consider the half-eaten pizza on your floor. Unfortunately, it's cold by now. You could reheat it in the oven, but waiting for the oven to heat up feels like an eternity. Most people would simply opt to pop it into the microwave and be eating within minutes. While this convenience is taken for granted today, such an option didn't exist until the 1940s. The revolutionary microwave oven went through various stages of evolution before reaching its current form. Microwaves are a type of radiation in the electromagnetic spectrum, ranging from 300 MHz to 300 GHz. Contrary to the micro prefix, these waves can extend up to 1 meter in length. They are categorized as microwaves because they're significantly smaller than radio waves. Despite popular belief, microwaves have far-reaching applications beyond cooking. They play crucial roles in observing weather patterns, form integral parts of GPS systems, and can even penetrate the atmosphere and foliage to monitor soil moisture. Traveling via line-of-sight paths, these waves can pass through several obstacles before being absorbed, making them vital for communication systems. Their utility is extensive and impressive. The innovation of microwaves can be attributed to a curious observation by Percy Spencer, a self-taught scientist during World War II. While working on the development of radar systems, which used magnetrons that emitted microwaves, Spencer noticed that a chocolate bar in his pocket had melted while he stood near an active radar set. Intrigued, he experimented further by popping popcorn and boiling an egg, which subsequently burst on a colleague's face. His exploration led to the design of a rectangular cavity to contain the waves and cook food in a closed setting. Initially, microwaves were sizable, nearly 6 feet wide, and expensive, which confined their usage to hotels. However, within 2 decades of their discovery, by 1967, microwaves became highly popular and sought-after devices in American households. The magnetron in these devices generates microwaves using electrical power, which are then channeled into the microwave's rectangular metallic cavity via a waveguide. Inside, the microwaves bounce back and forth, reflecting off metal surfaces until they reach the food. When they penetrate the food, microwaves cause molecules to vibrate, thus heating the food. This method heats the molecules simultaneously and evenly, unlike ovens, which rely on conduction. An interesting experiment involves filling the microwave's glass plate with marshmallows and cooking them without rotating the plate. Shockingly, some marshmallows brown, while others remain uncooked. This occurs because the waves create interference patterns when bouncing around the cavity. Constructive interference doubles the wave's amplitude, creating hot spots, while destructive interference results in cold spots. Hence, marshmallows in hot spots will brown, while those in cold spots stay uncooked. How can one ensure even cooking in a microwave? Since microwaves interact with the liquid molecules in food and form standing waves, controlling the movement of food is crucial. The rotating plate distributes the waves uniformly, thus cooking the food evenly. Flatbed microwaves use a stirrer or mixer at the top to achieve even wave distribution without needing to rotate the food. Microwaves have evolved into popular global appliances, becoming more sophisticated over time. Who would have thought that radar systems could be adapted to cook food? This innovation's popularity hinges on the simple yet crucial addition of the turntable. This demonstrates that while revolutionary discoveries like microwave cooking are foundational, a dash of common sense and straightforward engineering are indispensable for innovation. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Your feedback not only supports us, but also helps our channel reach more viewers and continue to grow.